Hi there everyone, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and thank you for joining me for another demonstration today. We are going to be using our gel press and also we've got some acrylic paints here. We've got cayenne, haystack and we've got Venice blue. And to take the print we're going to be using vanilla. And I'm going to be using one of our new stencils. So let's start by putting a thin layer of the Venice blue for the background. And taking the stencil, I'm going to pop that down and just press that into the gel press. And then taking a scrap piece of paper, we're just going to take the excess out of all the spaces. While it's still wet. So once it's dry, it won't come off, so you need to work fairly quickly. So I'm going to use a little bit of the cayenne and a little bit of the haystack. And then taking a smoothie, I'm just going to dab that over the top. Now it's quite an intricate design this, so just be a little bit patient and just push that sponge in to all those little spaces. And then we've got the yellow. It's just about bringing a little bit more colour in. Okay, that should do it. So we'll take that off, soak that stencil into some warm water now, and the paint will easily come off. The same as the smoothie. Anything that you leave out that's acrylic paint, it does tend to dry quite solid. Let's give that a little bit of a dry. And now we'll pop the vanilla over the top. Give that a nice thin layer. And then taking our multifarious card, pop over the top and give that a good smooth over. And that's what we've got. Makes a great distressed background. Okay, I'm going to trim that down. I'm going to pop a little bit more paint on here. And then taking the card, I'm just going to place that over the top. Just pop that over. Smooth And there we go. Let's pop that to the side. I'm just going to dry this now. Now we've got one of our lovely flower sets here. I'm going to ink this up in the Twilight. And let's pop that down around about there. Give that a good press. And I'm going to do a second impression just above. So I've cut some of the flower heads out here, and all I'm going to do is pop a little bit of glue on the back. And let's pop that over the top, just to make the image a little bit more solid. I'll do the same with this one. A little bit of glue. And the last one. Like so. And now I'm going to use one of our worded stamps. Maybe we'll go with the red tulip. That really is quite a red. That's fine. Let that dry off, and now we're going to go around the edge with a smoothie, and we'll use the VersaFine Twilight, and we're just going to pull the image together. And it's just another way to use the stencil for a background. I'm going to use a little bit of mica . Just while the ink is still wet, and that will automatically stick to that. Just take the excess off, and there you have it. Well, I hope you've enjoyed today's demo, something a little bit different. And I hope it's inspired you to have a play with the stencils. There's so much you can do with them. you know, it's not just acrylic paint you can use them with, you can also use them with our elements range as well. Bye for now.